Good morning to all students, class 12, RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am going to tell you about the explanation of the lesson Women's Education written by Dr. Radhakrishnan, who has been the second President of India. The format you have to understand how to write. In format you have to write down at first a hint. Few words, 2 or 3 words in the starting are written. After that dot dot. After that 2 or 3 more words are of the last lines are written. Till here being from compassion kindness, that is paragraph, and ends being here. In reference, we have to write down as in other lessons we have written. These lines have been selected from the lesson Women's Education written by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. In context, it is referred what topic is writer going to tell you about. So, in these lines, the writer is introducing the modern education system that is found in the schools and colleges of India. These. After that, an explanation. In explanation, you have to start the upper lines, above lines. Few of the lines or the substance of the few of the lines is introduced. After that, we come to the phrases that is given for the explanation, or the lines or the canto paragraph which is given for the explanation to the students. So in this paragraph, see in the book, woman kindness, compassion kindness, not human being. This paragraph, I am telling you, as I have already told you about the women's education lesson. We shall start. The writer is describing about the present education system. He is not satisfied because the present education system is bookish, is not practical. It gives only worldly knowledge, but does not give the moral values, moral knowledge to the students. That's why the humanity is degrading at the present time. The writer suggests that self-control, helpfulness and considerations, these are the most valuable values, are the virtues of human being, and every human being should adopt these values. Without these values, the man is nothing but animal only. As animal only eats, sleeps and does nothing. He does not consider about other persons, about other creatures. He is very selfish. In the same way, man without these qualities is very selfish. So he says that compassion or kindness is the most valuable quality, and it is found, compassion or kindness is found more in the hearts of the women than men. That's why the women are known for their kindness, for their compassion, for their considerateness, for their helpfulness. And the writer says that womanhood has declined at the present time, degraded. The reason is that the compassion has degraded in the hearts of the woman. That's why in the heart of any person there should be humanity, the human qualities. Such kind of education should be given in the schools and colleges according to Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, which may give the moral education and practical knowledge also, so that after getting the education, the students may not wander in search of job, in search of their living. but they may earn their living after finishing the education. Such kind of education should be given. Means technical education. Technical education is must in the modern age, and that's why the students should not be given only the bookish knowledge, but also moral knowledge and technical knowledge. Humanity is degrading. The man is not good manner today. Why? Because in the present education system, moral education is avoided. According to writer, such kind of education should be given which may have depth, not only the wideness. It means utility. It means usefulness. There should be education in India such kind of which may make the students independent and which may be good mannered. Students may be good mannered. Not only students, but every man, every woman should be good mannered, should be kind, should be gentle, should be helpfulness, and should be considerate for others' sorrows also. He may have sympathy for every creature. Such kind of education should be. If these qualities are not found, helpfulness, self-control, or the sensibility is not found, so that is not man. That is not human. According to writer, he is human animal or nar pasu and nothing more than that. Therefore, the human qualities should be adopted by every person. It is our duty. Thank you very much. And you have to write down the explanation I have given. I am sending the written explanation through the WhatsApp, and you should write down in the fair copy, and you have to prepare it also. And the second work I am giving to you is antonyms to write and learn in the homework copy. Thank you very much.